Now it's time to start our session for today. And I hope that you have done well in your last week. For the whole of the week, you have just done some practice as well, because it is your liability to do that when we are not there with you. So you yourself are responsible to make yourself able to learn new things, to practice it, as I already have told you that you have to speak wherever you can, whenever you can. So find the different occasions. Find different occasions to speak. So it's just based on you, actually. So the thing which is mandatory to tell you is that sometimes what we have to do, sometimes we have to speak, we have to give instantly, right? As I give you different kind of activities and I call you on stage and you just have to speak on some topic right on that spot without any preparation. So sometimes it happens that there are some occasions that when we need to speak without any preparation. So what to do in that scenario? So this is very important to learn, actually. So this is actually that we should have some formula always in our mind, and that is called, I'll write on board, that is called actually PPTT. Right? So it is very interesting. So it is like that. For extempore means instantly when you have to speak from your own self without any preparation. So for that kind of speaking, there is some formula that is called this one, and you should remember that. So what is this P for? First P is for people. What you need to do is to just start speaking to the people who are sitting in front of you, and you can just say thanks for inviting you on DICE or on that place where you are standing right now. And you can also address them like you can just say your name as well. You can just say that, okay, so I'm really grateful to Mr. Omar for inviting me here, and he's such, and you can just start describing about that person, actually. So there is nothing wrong in introduction of that person, actually, right? So you can just start speaking about that person, and that can give length to your speech, actually. So the first thing is to start talking about the audience, that everyone sitting here, they are so honorable and very respectful for all of us, like that. And some notable people, if they are sitting over there, so you can just call their name as well on DICE, and you just say thanks to them. So this is very important thing. So the other thing, the other P, what it stands for. So it basically stands for the place. The other P stand for the place where you are right now, right? So when you are standing at some place, you can just talk about that platform, that place, and that building, that is very fascinating kind of institute for all of us, which has given us opportunity to interact with you. So something like that. So this is in case of that you are without any preparation. So just no worries at all. So you can just start talking about the people and the place. And now we are moving towards the third point, that is T, and T is for the topic, we can say, for which you have been invited, for that thing for which you are there to speak on. So you can just elaborate that topic, and you can just talk about The issue, that can be any topic, issue, theme, anything which you are supposed to talk about. So that is there, that T is for the topic, sorry. Okay, so then someone said time, so it's really nice. You can start talking about time. Time means basically, whatever the topic is, you can start talking about its present, that what is the current situation going on regarding that issue or topic. So you can start talking about its present, and you can just talk about its past and future as well. So, but the best order is to start with the present, then go towards its backdrop. Backdrop means something which you already know about that, or other people also know about that, and then mention some suggestions or some advice, or what can we do for the improvement of that current issue or whatever the topic is actually. So this is very good kind of practice for speaking, for giving extempore speech, right? So that is there. So the other thing which is also important, that is actually, I have already told you, that is basically the prep formula that is also there. That is for the single question. If you are asked some question, so for that we can apply the formula of prep, right? So I think so you remember that, maybe, that you have done with that? Yes. Okay. So if any question is put on you and you don't know what to say about it, so what you can do is to use the formula of prep. So P stands for the main point of the question. So that is the main point of the query of the question. So that is there. And second is, just try to give reason to support it. Means explain whatever you are saying, just whatever argument you have said before. So just explain that, because, right? So pollution is increasing because, and then give reasons for that. And then the third point is E. So elaborate it with example. So there are many living examples. So you can just give any example from your country, from your society, or any conspicuous kind of which other people are also familiar with. You can just quote that example. That will give strength to your point, right? And then come back again to the main point of the question again when you are going to wind it up. So what you need to do is to just come back, recap that, and just come back to your main point. So point of question which you have already answered. So basically that. So prep is also very nice, and the previous formula as well. So whenever you are in that condition that, okay, what I should do, they have just called me on dice or stage. So just start talking about that one, which I've already told you. Very interesting. It's P, but it's not P, pani P, right? Coffee P. It's just P, right? So always remember that whenever there is P, so it sounds like P. So there is small h associated with P, and also with T, it's T, right? So this is not T, it's T, right? So if there is table, it's not table, it's table, right? So this is small h kind of sound is always associated with P and T, right? So, but the formula is basically this one. So I hope so that you have understood that now. So always keep that in your mind, right? So, okay. So now we are moving towards the next thing. What we are supposed to do today. And also one more thing, that whenever you are going to speak, when you are doing to do public speaking, so more focus should always be on the beginning of that, because it is proven that you can say 40% attention you just gain in the first part of your speech. So that should be very emphatic. Emphatic means very जानदार किस्म की होनी चाहिए. So that should be very impressive. And जो उसका conclusion है, when you are about to round it off, so वो भी बहुत जानदार होना चाहिए. So 40% उसको देना चाहिए. और बीच में तो वैसे ही energy level थोड़ा सा down हो जाता है, तो वो 20% attention ही you can grasp. So इस तरह से 100% are like that. So इसलिए जब भी आप कहीं पे भी कोई presentation दें, so start should be, that should be like a blast, and the end as well, and that should be superb, right? So this is the thing. All right. So now we are just, I want you to just be active, and I will just drop a topic for today, that is happiness, right? So we need it badly, but we should always be happy until and unless there is God forbid, there is some big calamity or tragedy. So otherwise, keep calm, keep cool, be happy and delighted, right? Feel over the moon all the time, right? So this is very good. That just make you happy as well as the people around you happy as well. So there is some nature in some people, so they just see negative side, or they are pessimist by nature. So maybe in your family you have found some people that whenever they will speak, they will say something like very unhappy or sad kind of thing, and they will find some tragic portion in their speech, and they will start conversing with you. But that is not their fault. That is in their nature. So I think so that we should cheer them up, and we should just try to console them and tell them that be happy. Find happiness in little things, right? So you yourself can make yourself as well as other people around you happy. So this is very important thing these days whenever you go somewhere. So you just find some people who are just very down in dumps. Down in dumps mean very sad. They are very dolorous. Again, sad, gloomy. So make some efforts. So it doesn't take much of our time. So to cut jokes with others, or to just tell some pleasant things to others. So we can do that. And it's very good for our own health as well. We can do other things with perfection. All right. So now I'm dropping the topic of happiness. You just tell me, what is happiness? How to be happy? And what do you do to be happy? So tell me about that, right? So we will start from girls this time. Okay, so first question is coming on your way from this side. Everyone will take part in that. And the question to you is, tell me, are you a happy person? Do you think you are a happy person?
I'm not that much happy.
Okay, I'm not that much happy. All right. Why? You are of that kind of category, which I have told already. No?
I don't think I am living my life.
Okay. Okay, so the time is still to come when you will get a lot of achievements in your life, you will make your career, then you will be more happy. But there are many things to be happy about, your family and the education, as you are sitting here. So feel happy about it, right? Okay, wonderful. Right, so are you a happy person? What do you think? Okay, that's wonderful. So how do you remain happy for most of your time? Can you tell us something? What is the best thing to forget about tension, and how do you? Okay, so enjoy the company of your siblings or friends. Sometimes that happens that you are not in good terms with your siblings. So the friends can do that work for you and you can be happy with them. Right. So, but try to be jubilant all the time. Right. Next question to you is, what do you think, that happiness is the feeling that lies within us, or it depends on the external factors or the people around us. So what is the thing actually? This is external factor matters more. Okay, how?
The scene is colorful.
Yes, if the scenery is very colorful around you, so that makes you happy. So it means you love nature. Ah, great.
When you do the thing you like,
Yeah.
then they like drawings,
Yes.
habits.
Okay. Nice. Right. When you are accomplishing your habits, so you feel happy. When you are around with your friends, so definitely it makes you jubilant, cheerful. Right. So what do you think, that happiness lies within us or it depends on external factors, people around us? Or?
To me, happiness lies within us. If you start depending on external factors, then you can't remain happy all the time.
Yeah.
Because these are not in our
Right.
these all are not in our
Definitely.
all the time.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I think happiness lies within us. You can create your own happiness.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. Wonderful. Very nice. I agree. Right. So would you like to say something on it? It is internal kind of feeling, or it depends on some outer situations or outer circumstances. It depends on both. Yeah.
Our external factors जो होते हैं.
Oh, no problem. इस पे भी खुश हो जाए. You know both languages. Yeah.
External factors depends on nature,
Yes.
and we feel happy with them.
Okay.
And when we are happy, then
Yeah.
हम दूसरों को भी खुश रख सकते हैं उसमें.
इतना ज़्यादा नहीं कहा बोलेगा उर्दू. Very nice. Yes, definitely. The same thing. Okay, wonderful. Okay. So she just did everything with quite. So make yourself easy, but not that much easy. Right. So next question to you is, you tell me that what makes you feel happy? What is that thing that makes you happy?
Spending time with my friends, siblings,
Okay.
and watching movies, and
Right. Okay, wonderful. Right, so the company of friends and watching movies, entertainment, outing. Wow. So next, same question actually to you. What makes you happy?
same like friends, fellows.
I mean to say, yani ke, friends, fellows, peers. What is happening? You are becoming very patriotic, you people today. Urdu language, because our Prime Minister has said that give preference to Urdu language, that's why. Right, but try to speak in English. Okay, I'm listening to you again. What makes you happy in English?
Siblings
Right.
and fellows.
Okay, and fellows as well. Right. And what makes you happy?
Little achievements like at school.
Okay, when you get some achievement, you feel over the moon. Okay, exuberant. Exuberant is also the word for happiness. Okay, enthralled, elated, elated. So these are all synonyms. Okay, I will teach you afterwards. Right. Yes, what makes you happy?
Spending time with my friends,
Okay.
and especially spending time with my parents makes me
Oh,
so happy,
yes.
and that time was so peaceful.
Is
Yes, it's so peaceful.
is very peaceful for me, and I think so these are the most precious moments of one's life, when you just spend your time with your parents. Wonderful, and we are very lucky to have parents, so may God give them very long life, and may their shadow be never less. So for happy, what we can say? For happy, we can say elated. E-L-A-T-E-D, elated. So it has some meaning of some pride as well, when you feel some achievement, when you feel some pride on some thing which you have done very nicely. So then you can say that I was very elated when I got my scholarship, right? All right. So next word is, you can say that I felt exuberant. Exuberant is lot of excitement, feeling happy with excitement actually, right? So the third word is over the moon. Over the moon. So it means extreme kind of happiness. So I am over the moon as I am interacting with you, right? So over the moon is something which is of the very superior kind of happiness, you can say, right? So fourth is overjoyed. Overjoyed. So I was overjoyed when I received my result. Overjoyed. Next word is jubilant, right? And you know the words delighted already. Okay, so today we are discussing about feeling happy. So be happy, enjoy every moment of your life, right? So never be scared of anything and try to make other people rejoiced as well, right? So then you will feel automatically the happiness which you give to others, that comes back to you as well. So that has some power to come back to you. Fine. So you just tell me that what are three things that makes you very jubilant and delightful?
Company of fellows and
Yeah.
spend time with siblings, and I love
Right.
to work with my passion because that makes me more happy.
Okay, your work and your family and friends. So these three things. So I have noticed that there is significance of friends, definitely. But we don't show it, but I think so that everyone has just mentioned that you enjoy the company of friends. So they are blessing, mashallah. So now you just tell me that, do you think that teenagers are the most delightful, or they are very jubilant kind of people as compared to other ages?
Yes, ma'am, because they don't have much responsibilities,
Mhm.
and being a teenager, we don't have much responsibility, and we are not that much worried about our future, and we are just enjoying our present, and
Yeah.
we just enjoy our present.
Yeah.
And we don't think about future, and we don't think about society.
Right.
And we are just observed in our present and enjoy
Okay.
our time.
So when you will grow older, so you will be happier as well. At that time,
Like Anil Raza said, it depends on mentality.
Yeah.
If you are a person and can handle the situation, and you will feel happiness.
Wow.
And, if you can't handle your time
Uh-huh.
and situations, then it will break you, it will harm your mental health.
Yes.
You will feel unhealthy also.
Very nice, good. Okay, so it means when you people will grow very old, so you can remain very, very happy. So this is a good news. Alright, okay. So next question is, right. So do you think that we should work hard in this age to make our old age better and happiest phase of our life?
Yes, ma'am. We should work hard to get opportunities
Yeah.
to make our older age better.
All right. So you are striving for that. Good. So this is the right time, this is the high time to secure your career, to make yourself successful so that you can enjoy those days, which has weakness, which has some association of ailments as well. So get ready for that, and this is the time to get ready actually. So time flies by very quickly. Okay. Yes. What's your good name? Essen. Right. Essen, what is the meaning of your name?
The most beautiful thing,
Okay.
according to Quran.
Right. That's wonderful. So what things make you happy?
First of all, company of my mentors and to travel.
Right.
And to, by helping others makes me happy.
Okay, that's wonderful. So do you think it is important to make other people happy and make them laugh?
100%. I think happiness is something different thing. It's depend upon your nature. Basically, nature is a happiness.
Yeah, mental state.
Most of the males
Men.
are materialistic,
Yeah,
so they are not happy.
they are not happy. If we become materialistic, we can't be happy.
According
like she mentioned. Definitely. So that's reality actually. Right. If we have shortage of money, still we can be happy. So we can just count the blessings which we are blessed with from Almighty. So many people don't have that. So that's why in our religion we are taught that always look to the people who are of the low financial status than you. So what are 3 things that make you unhappy?
Ma'am, firstly, I request you I want to come on the stage and talk about happiness.
Oh, wonderful. Very nice. So give a big clap. Wonderful. Please. The stage is yours. Yes.
Assalamu alaikum. Firstly, I would like to tell you that I was feeling hesitation that should I go there or not. As I'm an introvert and I really feel hesitation to talk on the stage to the public, and I really know a lot about happiness, and I have read a lot of books and I really know a lot, but I have not enough power to express my knowledge to the public. So I'm here to overcome my fear, and I'm still feeling hesitation and just trying to overcome my fear. So just give me a few minutes, a few seconds to relax myself. So, happiness is not something you create. It is something you become. I would like to tell you that some people think that it's an internal fact issue, or some people think that it's a external factor. So here my point is that it's a very philosophical and psychological state of mind. I would like to add here something more that some people think that it's an external issue, that the accidents, the deaths make us sorrowful and are very agonizing for us. But I would like to tell you that being a very self-actualized person, when you are a self-actualized person, you try to accept the realities. So when you accept the realities, these are not anymore the worries for you. So it's not the external issue, it's purely the internal issue. You make happiness, you make this object happiness from inside of you. And ma'am questioned us that which things make you happy. So I would like to tell you that distributing packets of rations, distributing food to the poor makes me happy. Or distributing whatever I have, contributing whatever I have, the energy, the time, everything to contribute to the others makes me happy. Thank you so much.
And now I'm very happy that you have come here and you just spoke and you just uttered your ideas and shared your very informative kind of points with us. So that's really, I'm grateful, wonderful. And so try to have this kind of passion that you just say, I want to come here, like that. Wonderful. It's really nice.